Okay, I'm starting this video because I really gave Kishu Inu a thought, and I'm thinking that currently we're at a position where Kishu Inu has nowhere to go except up. This video is no financial advice. I'll share my opinions and technical analysis around the project, but before we start, definitely give me a like. So let's aim for 50 likes, right? That's very realistic. So Kishu Inu, if you want to buy it first, there's a link for it in the description down below. I buy my Kishu Inu on gate.io. You can buy it on other places as well. If you go to coinmarketcap.com, you can buy it on OKX, Poloniex, blah blah blah. I don't currently own any Kishu Inu. I have a lot of shib. I do a lot of shib videos, but I might buy after this video. I might transfer some money on gate.io and buy some. Let me explain why I'm interested in it. So Kishu Inu is another Doge token, right? And I've made videos before on it, I think a month ago or something. I have a feeling Kishu Inu 2 months ago, it has 93k views. It was a hot token. I made another video a month ago, and it's done some incredible things so far throughout the last months, right? It's definitely down from its peak, the same way Doge is, the same way all the Doge coins are. But the thing about Kishu Inu right now is, from a technical standpoint, it has a very good recovery from its fall, around a 30% recovery from the 1296 area all the way up to 1639 right now. And the thing that brought Kishu Inu to my attention right now are a few of you on the live streams. I try to have these live streams around an hour discussing, just brainstorming ideas. And a lot of you guys told me, well, check out Kishu Inu, talk a little bit about Kishu Inu. And I couldn't find a lot of fundamentally good news about it currently. If you have any, let me know in the comment section down below. But I really like the chart. So this is the main reason I'm interested in purchasing some. Comparing it to, like, you always gotta, we're talking about crypto, you always gotta make a comparison between what you could have bought with your money, right? If say you've got 100, 1,000, 10 grand to invest into a project, you always gotta consider the alternative price, right? What can you buy if you didn't buy Kishu Inu? And if you're not that into utility tokens, if you're into meme currency, the whole community, the Shiba army, the Dogecoin army, both great communities, by the way. I'm part of them. I love them. I'm having so much fun with being part of them. You might be interested in Kishu Inu as well. The thing about Shiba though is, and you gotta consider the alternatives, right? Is Shiba has more news right now. We're waiting for Coinbase, eToro, Robinhood, I don't know, but eToro probably, I think, that's my opinion. Coinbase, yep, I had to be listed last week. They're a few days behind. They announced it on 15th of June. 16 they said, okay, we won't do it. 17 they said, well, everything else that you don't care about, like DOT and whatever, CHZ. And we're also waiting for shibaswap, which will be massive. So these market events, in my opinion, plus right now you can buy at very low rate, relatively low rate. I bought the majority of my Shiba Inu, by the way, for transparency, here at 660, basically 8 hours ago. And I've bought some during this dip, but I bought a lot here. Of Shiba Inu. And because I'm just waiting for the Coinbase news, the Coinbase listing will shoot us up, in my opinion. By the way, if you want to buy any of the cryptocurrencies that I'm talking about, I have a few links in the description down below that you should know of. First, if you want to buy Dogecoin or BTC, you can use Bybit. I have a link for Bybit in the description down below. I'm partnered up with them, and since I'm partnered up with them, I could make my request. And I said, guys, give me something special for my subscribers, and they did. There's a link for it in the description down below. You can get a bonus when you sign up under me. If you want to buy Shiba Inu, I buy my Shiba Inu on Binance. They have the lowest fees. I just have an affiliate link. I'm not sponsored by them. And if you want to buy Kishu, you can use Gate.io. Have a link for it in the description down below as well. So all of them, you can buy them relatively easy. So here are a few things that you probably want to know about Kishu. Let me see if we actually have it. Oh, we have it here. Let's actually check the Kishu Inu chart from OKX right here. First of all, we've had very strong support around this level during the 18th of June situation. 18th of June was definitely a painful situation for crypto. And tell you my opinion on why that was so. We had pump and dumps like Coinbase, right? Rocket happening in the beginning of June. We had the 19th of May craze with Elon Musk, right? This was a very bad combination because it was we were already crashing. We probably went down like 10x from the peak. So I think there's some space to move, but I'll definitely trade Kishu Inu with some stop loss. So here's my strategy on how to trade. And again, this is no financial advice. I'll probably have a stop loss right around maybe here, and I would probably target a few areas. I would trade it maybe with a trailing stop loss, but I would say this is a area of interest for me. Maybe I gotta consider the breakouts. Okay, so this is another area to consider. So there are basically a few areas that I'm interested in, and I'll tell you why. This area, why? Well, when we broke this support, we had this massive dip. This is also an area, but who knows? We don't have that much volume, that much experience. It didn't manage to survive a lot of market crashes. I don't see the chart for the 18th of April, which is another crash, and how it rebounded from it. But it rebounded pretty well from the Elon Musk one, pretty much retraced everything, which brings me to the understanding that I can get a pretty cool 1 to 5x return if you just target this level, take profits here, and maybe leave 10 or 20% of my positions here. So this is how I would be interested in trading Kishu Inu at this point. Let me know if you have any other opinion, but Kishu Inu is definitely on my radar and is crypto. It's part of our community, and I think it's good so to understand how it works. So these are the levels I'll be interested in. I forgot if I didn't actually have my chart on. Sorry, I'll have it now. So this is a level, after support. I'm trying to find previous support levels to have them as resistance levels. Now take profit here, and maybe leave 10-20% if it reaches here. Who knows if you can reach here? I don't know if I'll trade it right now. Maybe I'll see the price action if I can wait for so long. If the video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like. I want to see you in one of the next videos.